Good evening everybody, this is Angela and David from Wiley's Travel Adventures. We're just going to give you a wee room tour. We're in 4119 at the Aurora Oriental Resort, Sharm Sheikh. Just knock on the door, see if anybody's in.
Welcome.
Good evening, sir. Who are you?
I'm David.
You're David, and do you come with the room?
No.
No.
I come with my wife.
You come with my wife. Come with my... Oh, okay. Right, so we're going to have a look at this excellent, huge room. I'll start with the bathroom, and it's absolutely humongous. So, marble sink. And then we've got the toilet. And then we've got the bath with the shower above. Very good. Now considering it is 20 to 3 in the morning, we met some people from the aeroplane, so we've been sitting with them. So it's a bit late doing a room tour. Here's the cupboard space. There we go. Yeah, that's one of them, yeah. We've got plenty of cupboard space. There's the wee safe. And the laundry things at the bottom there. 2 extra pillows. And here's the humongous room. It doesn't do it justice on the video, I must admit. 2 double beds, 1 and 2, luggage, and then we have a coffee machine over here.
That's a kettle.
Yeah, kettle, okay, smart bugger. And this is our food, because we were late in getting in because of the chaos at Manchester Airport. We've got 2 bottles of water in the fridge. I'll just show you the fridge. Here we go. There's the fridge with our 2 bottles of water. And there's a TV. David in the TV. A mirror here. Oops, breathe in, Angela, breathe in.
Couple of drawers.
Couple of drawers to put your knickers in. There's some food. Angela, breathe in. Oh my god. And then there's some more food here. On the wee... It's like a suite really, isn't it, David? Mm-hmm. 2 wee chairs, some fruit. And then we're going to take you outside. Good grief, we'll never get up for breakfast at this rate. And here we go. Ooh. Oh, look at this. We've never looked in this before. This is our own little terrace. Look. Eh? Oh my god, this is so nice. And we're at the pool there. There's a few pools at this resort. Huh? How cool is it? Huh? There's like a little... Where?
Splash pool over there.
Huh?
A splash pool over there.
There's like a wee kiddies pool somewhere, but I can't see it at the moment. Okay, I'm going to have a look around here. Jane, I'm going to send you this video. We're in the refurbished rooms. I'm a bit drunk as well, but hey ho, don't say anything about that. Hey ho. This is a quiet pool, I think. Look at that. Right outside our... How cool. Don't think it's anywhere near the beach lights. It is. I don't know where it is. We'll figure it out in the morning. There you go. It looks as if there's 3 floors to this block, but it's a refurbished block, so it's even better. And there's David. Not used to staying up this late, are we, David? I've already fallen. I've just fallen down the step. Oh my goodness me. Right, it's time for me to go to bed. That's twice I've fallen down steps today, or up steps. And the first time I wasn't even alcoholic. Right, we shall all see you tomorrow for another rip-roaring day with Wiley's Travel Adventures. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.